Family, bantwana basekhaya, uba ungomnye wababantu bamane bebizwa ngamagama uba ukhohlakele, uyazitshela, uphakamile, awuthandi bantu, khawusondele man ke sincokole. Bethunana, lifikile ixesha that singaze siphinde sivume abantu basixelele basingobani na. Lifikile ixesha lokubana ibesithi abazichazayo basingobani na. Lifikile ixesha that we clap for ourselves. Lifikile ixesha that we prioritize ourselves. Lifikile ixesha that we validate ourselves because we're in the you versus you cycle. Why ndithetha kanjena namhlanje? I just came back from a high school where I stood in front of matriculants, and this is the message I gave to them today, and this is the message that I want to give you today. No one else can define who you are more than you can define yourself. No one can clap for you more than you can clap for yourself. No one can prioritize you more than you can prioritize yourself. Everyone that is out there takes a hint in how are you treating yourself. If people are talking ububhanga kuwe bathi wena ukhohlakele or 10, you just let it go, uhleke ungayilungisi. That's you saying to them, sure, I give a thumbs up, you have to be the person okhatha into ethethwayo ngawe and say, no, I am not like this. I love people, but I also have boundaries where I love to be alone. Namhlanje bantu basekhaya mandithi kuwe, you versus you cycle kuyo yonke indawo. This is who you are. Do not ever allow people, outsider or anyone, family, mother, father, sister, whoever, friend, to ever define you. I remember one time a friend of mine told me that yena ungu Oprah mnandungu Gail, and this stuck with me for years until today, that I like, oh, she was actually trying to kill me because I used to be the one othanda debate and ukthini, but somehow what decided ndoba makanibulale spirit, not looking down on Gail Bethunana, but in those times Gail looked like a laptop ka Oprah, and for my friend to say that to me, it hurt me for years until today that I realized no, ndingu Oprah of my own self. I don't need anyone to tell me. So Bethunana, ndizothi kuwe, you must be able to define who you are, and you must be able to say beyond everything ethethwayo uthi, this is who I am. Akho mntu uzawuthi mna ndiyinto ethile. Love and light, family. Peace out. I love the afro